Every month, Marcus does everything right. But every month, he ends up with less than he started with.
Marcus earns $2,800 a month. After rent, utilities, groceries, he has $340 left for everything else.
His car breaks down. He doesn't have $400, so he takes a payday loan. That loan costs him $65 in fees for 2 weeks.
He can't pay it back, so it rolls over, the fees stack, the hole gets deeper. Rich people borrow money and get RICHER. Marcus borrows money and gets poorer. His bank charges $35 every time his balance hits zero. He overdrafts 4 times this month. That's $140 just for being broke.
Wealthy neighborhoods have full grocery stores. His neighborhood doesn't. So Marcus pays more for less at the corner store every single day.
Marcus finally sits down and adds it all up. The fees, the interest, the markups, over $200.
This isn't bad luck. This isn't his fault. This is a S-wisdom, payday lenders, big banks, overpriced stores. But Marcus learned something. Knowledge is the only tax break available to everyone. He finds a credit union. He builds a $500 The poverty tax is real. But once you see it, you can start fighting it. You're not bad with money. The system was just never built for you to win.